Well, how did the farmer accomplish his work before using drones? To answer that question, I think we have to first take a look at how actually drones help farmers to accomplish their work. A drone gives you the possibility to get a bird's eye view of the whole field. A multispectral camera like the MicaSense Red Edge MX gives you the possibility to see the health status of your plants from above. Well, even before using drones, farmers have always been assessing the health status of their plants, but they always had to walk their fields basically. So taking a look at the cornfield behind me, a farmer who wants to assess the health status would have to walk in at different locations in the field and then assess manually if the plants are doing well or if they are not doing well. By using the drone and the bird's eye view, you can do this work much faster and with a much higher accuracy, because you capture the whole field with one flight. You don't have to walk into the crop anymore as you did before. You just stand on the side and you will get an accurate image of the health status. So this technology helps the farmer to do their work in a much faster, much more efficient way, while at the other end getting much higher precision results than if they would walk their fields.